Hey everyone, welcome to the ConferZoom Tips and Tricks video series. Today we're going to cover how to go through your ConferZoom settings to disable passwords that are automatically added to your recording. So this is a brand new feature that happened in early April 2020, where now all of your recording links have passwords set automatically. So I'm going to tell you how to undo those. The first step is to go to conferzoom.org and sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll click on your settings in the left menu. You'll have some default meeting settings, and then you'll have some default recording settings. That's where we're going to go. So you'll see there's 3 tabs at the top. One of them says recording. Once you're in here, I definitely encourage you to take a look at these settings, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to focus on this one setting, which will require a password to access your shared cloud recordings. If you don't want students to have to enter in a password, just toggle this option right here. That's all there is to it. Everything is saved automatically. If you have videos that were given a recording password, you can go in and change that here by clicking on Recordings. To remove the password from your recording, you're going to click on the Share icon, and then you'll toggle this icon here that says Password Protect, and then click Close. So that's it for this ConferZoom tip and trick. I hope this is helpful. Feel free to check out any of our other guides at hartnell.edu/pdc/guides/ConferZoom. Thanks for watching.